Hey guys, the kid from POTN here. Matt, a member of the team, has just picked up a Mk7 Golf R and he's just picked up his brand new Calibre Suzuka wheels in gunmetal. It's an 18x8 size with an ET45. He's going with the 225 40/18 tyres. Head over to Calibre Wheel Shop for all your wheel and tyre needs. Let's go check him out on the car. Alright guys, the wheels are now on the car. They look absolutely amazing. Check out these B-roll shots of these in the car. And that's the car guys. It's just actually had a Remus exhaust installed as well. Check out the video here. It's also soon to receive some eye-back lowering springs too. So make sure you like and subscribe to follow the build. Thank you very much for watching.